Hello, today I'm going to be unboxing a Ledger Nano S, which is a Bitcoin hardware wallet. This came in this jiffy bag. It looks like a tamper-proof seal, so once you've opened it, it's fairly obvious. It's ripped. This is direct from Ledger. It came from France. Supports Bitcoin, Ethereum. You can use it as a FIDO authentication device, and it goes in the USB socket. It's got an LCD screen. Wrapped in cellophane. I've got a notice saying there's no anti-tampering sticker on the box. I don't believe they need them anymore because of this secure element chip that they use, engineered to be tamper-proof. Here it is, coming in a nice styrofoam box. Here's the wallet. It feels quite heavy. Got the VRS in numerous, strength in numbers, Ledger logo. Here we have it. Okay. Welcome back. Getting started. You write down a recovery phrase. USB cable. Looks like it's micro USB. A little lanyard. Part of the lanyard. And a key ring. There we have it. The Ledger Nano S.